Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this hexagon patch. You can use this patch in bags. So I am using a 2.5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn, but you can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers in this manner, and with the help of crochet hook make a magic ring, and then we would start working into this magic ring. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. After that, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. So first of all, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and after that pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. After that, make double crochet 2 into the magic ring, double crochet 3 into the magic ring, and then make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, then double crochet 9, double crochet 10, double crochet 11, and now we have total of 12 double crochets including the 3 chain. So our first round is almost completed. Now we would finish it by making a slip stitch into the third chain. So make a slip stitch into the third chain, and our first round is completed. For the second one, again start with 3 chains. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and these 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet. After that, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook into the same place, which is the chain 3, yarn over and pull through, and again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and yarn over, pull through. Now we have almost 5 loops. So pull the yarn through all loops together, make 2 chains, and now start working into the next double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through, again wrap the yarn over and pull through, and again wrap the yarn and yarn over, pull through, again yarn over and pull through first time, yarn over and pull through second time, and then yarn over and pull through 3 times. So make it 3 times and pull the yarn through all loops together. This is called a puff stitch. Make 2 chains, and into the next double crochet stitch again make a puff stitch, and pull the yarn through all loops together and make 2 chains, and again make a puff into the next double crochet stitch. So in this way we would make puff stitch in every double crochet stitch of the previous round without skipping any stitch. So at the end we would have total of 12 puff stitches in the 12 double crochet stitches of the previous round. So make puff stitches till the end. I have completed my puff stitches. Now in the last make 2 chains and finish the round with slip stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the puff stitch and after that make a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, because we would work into the chain 2 space. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet, and after that wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and yarn over, pull through 2 loops and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So make a double crochet stitch right into this chain 2 space and again make a double crochet stitch right into this chain space. Now work into the next chain space, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, 2 chains, chain 1 and chain 2, and again into the same space make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same space. This is the corner. Now into the next chain 2 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, and into the next one we would make a corner again. So make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, chain 1 and chain 2, then double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same chain 2 space. So in the next we would again make 3 double crochet stitches into the chain 2 space, and into the next one we would again make a corner. So in this way we would have total of 6 corners in the last. So in this stitch, in this space make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets, and then complete the round by repeating the process till the end. I have completed my round. Now in the last make a slip stitch into the third chain. After that we would make single crochet all around. So make chain 1 and make a single crochet in the chain 3, then make a single crochet into the double crochet stitch and make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and in this way make single crochet in the next 2 more stitches, and now we have 2 chain space. Now in this chain 2 space make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3, and after that make single crochets in the each double crochet stitch around and make 3 single crochet stitches into the chain 2 space. Now we have the next chain 2 space. So in this chain 2 space again we would make 3 single crochets, single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3. So complete the round till the end. So I have completed my single crochet stitches line. Now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand, and now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle. I have woven the yarn ends. So this is our hexagon patch. You can make it and use it in bags and whatever project you like. So if you like the video, please give it huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.